Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to add the website shortcut in your home screen in your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Firstly, we need to open our web browser and search for any website. Let it be our website, which is the HardReset.Info, and search that. Here, now, to add that, we have to tap this 3 lines over here, and here, as you can see, we have a few options. Chrome history, results, something like that, copy link you saved. Here I have to tap opening Chrome browser, and now, once again, this button over here, and scroll down to add to home screen. Tap that, tap add back again. And now, as you can see, if we exit that, tap on this shortcut that is created, we have HardReset.Info, our perfect website. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.